Getting rich by the age of 30 years is very simple. So if you're gonna listen to this tip that I'm gonna share with you in today's video, then consider yourself becoming a self-made millionaire by the age of 30 years just following these simple tips. Tip number 1, start investing early. One of the most powerful advantages when you are young is time. The earlier you start investing, the more time you give to your money to grow, especially through the magic of compound interest. This means your earnings start to earn, creating a snowball effect. So the sooner you invest, the greater your potential wealth 30 or 40 years from now. Delaying it means missing out on growth that could be massive later. 2. Avoid timing the market. This simple advice, but surprisingly tough to follow. Don't try to predict market highs and lows. Studies consistently show that the more you trade, the more likely you are to underperform. Historically, if you hold on to your investment for 20 years, you have never lost money. That's a strong case for sticking with a buy and hold strategy. Research even suggests that investing as soon as you can beats trying to time the market about 70% of the time. 3. Understand what you are investing in. If you don't fully understand an investment, it's safer to stay out. Markets can be deceiving, especially when everything seems to be going up, and it's important to realize that some investments can lose value for years. So before putting your money somewhere, make sure you understand the risks and know what you are getting into. Tip number 4, never invest money you will need soon. Any money you will need within the next few months or even years should stay out of the market. Why? Because in the short term, prices can drop. You can't predict what will happen in the near future, but history shows that over a decade or more, your chances of turning a profit improve significantly. So only invest money you won't need anytime soon to avoid potential losses when the market dips. Tip number 5, make investing a habit. The key to growing wealth is consistency. Set it and forget it. Automate your investment into a diverse index fund and let the market do the work. You don't need to check consistently. Just keep investing regularly and trust that the long-term growth will take care of itself. Tip number 6, think for yourself. Finally, trust your own judgment. The most successful investors often go against the grain, relying on their own research and not being easily swayed by others. It's not easy, but when you start thinking independently, you open up opportunities that others might overlook. Now, if you're a beginner and you want to start investing, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen: when to buy, when to sell in the stock market, your ultimate guide. Until then, hand to head, salute.